Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Rico Season. I'm here in San Fernando, Pampanga, and most of the time I travel in Zambales because that is our destination nowadays. And in my travel time, I'm very happy because I enjoy the travel time because it is mostly 4 or 5 hours from here in San Fernando, Pampanga, going Tiba, Zambales, then up to Santa Cruz, Zambales. Many trees and many mountains that I am going to see. I've seen when I travel there. That's why it's very fun to ride in Zambales province. I'm encouraging every one of you to go there also for you to experience what is the beautiful and beauty of the province of Zambales. Also, many more beaches in the province of Zambales, and that's why 3 times a week I'm going there so that we can reach more people and more destinations there. Thanks a lot, and until next time on our next video.